Okay, so on the bench today we have a Samsung Multi Disc CD DVD player. Focus. Complaint is it runs fine, except for it won't play CDs or DVDs. Okay, let's fire it up and see what happens. Okay. Oh, that's not good. Might help if your power supply is plugged in. Welcome. Oh, I hear the mechanism. Yeah, okay. Okay, that seems, like you said, it seems to work fine. I do hear the tray moving. That's good. Let's open, close. Let's see what we got inside here. Oh, we got a stuck tray. I don't know if you heard that or not. Yep, find your point. Yep. One. That should be it right there. No. Close. Oh, okay, so we got a stuck tray as well. Yep. So we open. Now I can hear. There it is there. It should... Okay, it came out all the way that time. Okay, let's open her up. Yeah, she's stuck there, so she's gonna need some lube there. Okay, goodbye. Okay, now that we got her open, let's turn our power supply on. You know what, if the tray is like that, I'm suspecting that we just have a dirty laser. Here. Can I get to the rails to lube? Yes, I can. So that shouldn't be a problem. And actually, oh, there's a little there. It shouldn't be that bad. Well, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna get a DVD here in slot number 4. We'll push 4. Well, see, tray stuck. Oh, it did not like that. Let's see what it does. Okay, so it's attempting at least. Watch, it'll run, no problem. Yeah, that's gonna read it. Yep, it's gonna read it. Now, whether it's skipping, it sounds a little rough. I don't know if you could hear that, but that definitely sounded rough. Oh, look at that. Wow. Really? That's different. Oh yeah, that's... Oh. Yeah, that ain't right. Wow. So let's just play here. Just hit play. See what happens here. Oh yeah, that's rough. Okay. We're gonna kill her here. No. Okay, we're gonna stop that completely. Let's change disc here. Let's see if we can stop that. Because there's nothing wrong with this disc. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. A couple of fingerprints where I just touched it, but other than that, I mean, it's fine. Okay. Let's open the tray. And what I'll do is, she's gonna open. Yeah, okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grease and lube all this and the rails here, sorry, and the rails here. And then, I don't know if you can see the laser in there. Sorry, I'm just trying not to hit the power supply. Right in there. We can get right in there and clean it. So you can see the rails are all greased up now. And I tried to find the spots that were most likely to get gummed up here. So we're just going to do a couple of back and forths here. Yeah, guess. Close. Yeah, see, it's right. Okay, so it's, I might have to get the underside of the tray as well, or at least get it worked in here, because it probably needs to be done up here as well on the rail. Yeah, that's sliding it. Okay. Yeah, it does not like that. Not at all. Yeah, it gets stuck right there. Okay, I see it. Let me see if I can show you that. Right here. Right here, it's getting stuck. It's either right here or it's right here. Sorry. Right here. Okay. Okay, it seems to me like I've taken care of the laser issue. Yeah, looks good to me. Can we just play, skip, something? Yeah, that looks right. We'll just program started here. I don't know if I have any audio hooked up, and if I don't, whatever, doesn't matter. Well, maybe I should, just in case there's an issue with that as well. Oh, crap. Oh, no, we had, no. Do we have no audio out? Well, that's strange. It's definitely hooked up. Might not be hooked up in the back of my monitor, but yeah, we definitely have audio out. Like I said, it could just be on the back there, but yeah, that looks like it took care of that. So let's get the tray figured out, because the tray still is having an issue. Okay, so after fighting with these things to get to the belts, there's one here that controls the eject, and then there's one right here that controls the return. They're shot. They're completely shot. They're in the teardrop form, and no matter what I do to them, they're done. So the customer does not want to wait for them to show up. So he is literally going to have to deal with the fact that it will get stuck a little bit until you get over that hump. There's just nothing you can do about it unless you replace those belts. Nothing. It will not pull it in completely. But it does work, besides the tray. And he is fine with that. So I think that'll wrap this one up. These are not made the greatest. Not at all. In case you were wondering what the make and model is here. It's an HT-TX75. And yeah, this thing is not built the greatest at all. It's very, very chintzy inside. And for something built in 2006 or 2007, I believe, it's kind of it's kind of a shame. There's no bulging caps here or in the power supply. The laser looks fine. You can tell it does get warm though. It does get very warm, even with the fan running. But yeah, I think that's it. That's what we're gonna do. She's working. Okay, thanks for watching. I just want to add a little something to the end of this. I just noticed that the tray itself, right, happened to be a little cattywampus, for lack of a better term. It seemed to be like maybe it took a little bit of a hit, maybe while the door was open, and it was kind of like this, and I think it was more this area right here, but I just said, what's going on? Like, just why is it getting stuck just right here when I went to close right there? So I just gave it a little and something I didn't notice at first, but it actually seems fine now. Can you believe that? It's just something I didn't notice at first. And now it's flawless. Okay, now, thanks for watching.